A high of only 70 degrees today. It's going to be a struggle, and we're going to end up with temperatures, I say a struggle to warm, we're going to end up with temperatures fairly close to the average for this time of year. The 30-year average, 68 degrees. The forecast, 70 degrees. So a little closer to average, still just above it, but at least a cooler day. We are still dealing with strong winds across northern Arizona, the strongest in that upper Colorado River Valley area where a wind advisory is in effect until 9 o'clock. That area will get wind gusts as high as 50 miles an hour today. So very strong winds funneling down the river. For northern Arizona, gusts will peak around 25 to 30 miles an hour. And for the valley, you can plan on just some very light breezes between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. A cool day across the state with a high of only 40 in Flagstaff and some colder wind chills in that area. 38 for a high in Heber, 60 in Globe, and Phoenix tops out at 70 degrees. A lot of 60s across southern Arizona today. Again, our 30-year average is 68 degrees. Today we'll make it just above that, with many valley cities hitting temperatures right around 70 degrees. Then overnight tonight, you can expect another drop into the 40s. Phoenix dropping to around 50 degrees by tomorrow morning, so another cold start to the day here in the valley, but colder up north with the temperature of 21 for an overnight low in Flagstaff, down into the teens at the Grand Canyon. You'll notice in that 7-day forecast that today is likely the coolest day of the week. We'll see temperatures warm a little bit further into the low to mid 70s through the end of the week and into this weekend. A little more cloud cover this weekend, but no rain in our forecast, and each morning dropping into the upper 40s to right around 50 degrees.